Hello, good day. This video will demonstrate how to install Proxmox VE with a cluster of 3 nodes. The first node, second node, third node would be installed with Proxmox VE. Let's get it started. Leave it as default. Input password. Here, choose 5A 5B. ITM PVE 01 2 install. Let's continue with the second node. $90x76 $90x76 BVA02 22 unit. Okay, now continue with the third node. Zero nine three C 093C PPE03 install. Okay, first node is up. Let's check. is up. So we can close now. We can close the console and let's update the repository. Add currently non-subscription. Disable this. Disable this. And now reload. Refresh. Update. And yes. Leave it. Let's check the second node. It's still ongoing. The third node. Okay. Second node. Second node is up. Let's try. Okay. It's up. Update the repository. Reload. Refresh. Okay. Upgrade. And yes. Now let's check the third node. Third node is in progress. Almost up. Okay, we can see 2253. It is up. Okay, now update the repository. No subscription. Disable. Reload. Refresh. That's okay. Update. And yes. So let's check the progress. Second node. The first node. And make it as to reboot for the first node. Shut down. Okay, second node is done. Reboot. Second node. Close. Node is ongoing. Let's check. Okay, now it's up. You can check time, 0 minute. Okay. Let's wait. Oh, okay. Second node is up. Shell. Uptime 0 minute. Try to log in. Okay. Second node should be up. Okay. Almost done. Or node 3. Okay. Shut down node. Reboot node 3. And now we should add the network for the cluster. Okay, so IPA. Let's check. Cluster C16C. C16C is S19. And how about the second node? 4CE1. 4CE1 second node. And the third node is B70D. B70D. Okay, all is under ENP6S19. So let's add the network, Linux bridge. /51 is the first node. Apply. Okay, second node. Bridge. I do 52. 4. Apply. Done. And the third node. 53. Apply. Done. Okay. Now move it here. Let's connect the third node. 3, 2, 53. Split through this first node, second node. Yeah, let's edit the etc host. Add the second and the third. Done. One, 3, 3. Done. And the third node. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, done. Now let's try to ping each other. 50 2.52. Okay, 3. Okay, 0.50. 2. Okay, 3. Okay. Now should be fine. Yeah. Ping 51. Okay. Ping 51. 2. Okay, done. So now let's add the cluster. Cluster is the first node. Yeah. Create the cluster. PVE cluster. Use 20. Create. Done. Copy the join information. Add in the second node. Join cluster. 20. Okay. Joined. Finishing setup locally. So should be fine. Let's check here. Okay, it's up. That's cool. Okay. Now we can try to connect. Reconnect. Okay, good. I can see. Now the third node. Join cluster. Okay. $20. Joined. Done. Let's check. Please wait. Okay. Very nice. Everything's good. Oops. Nice. It's done. Now check via command prompt. Okay. We got everything's configured. It's done. Thank you for watching.